there, boys and girls. How are you doing today? We are talking about our 7 national heroes. But today, we are going to talk about only 2. And I'm going to do the poem. Just a little short piece. Let's go. Ready? Come make we salute we heroes them. Yeah, make we salute we heroes them. They fought night and day just to give us freedom. Let me salute the heroes them. Come make we big up we heroes them. Yeah, make we big up we heroes them. They toil night and day just to make we free. Make we big up the heroes them. Me a talk about the one George William Gordon. Me a talk about the one Marcus Messiah Garvey. Alright, so today we're going to talk about these 2 national heroes. Marcus Messiah Garvey. So it's Marcus Messiah Garvey, and we have George William Gordon. Now, you are ready for the next play. Marcus Messiah Garvey, Marcus Messiah Garvey, man of nobility, man of nobility. He said, up, up, your mighty race, Africa for Africans. Though he is gone, we must carry on. Now, Marcus Messiah Garvey, Marcus Messiah Garvey, Marcus Messiah Garvey. Look at Marcus Garvey. He said, up, up, your mighty race. One God, one aim, one destiny. One God, one aim, one destiny. Although he is gone, we must carry on. Now, Marcus Messiah Garvey, Marcus Messiah Garvey. Give it up for Marcus Messiah Garvey. Here he is. George William Gordon, George William Gordon, George William Gordon. He let the slave fight to get money. The slaves were working so hard for a little bit of pay or none. George said, let's go. We have to fight to get some more pay. George William Gordon, George William Gordon, George William Gordon. He made the slave fight to get money. He said, come on, Jamaicans, we need to own some land. We need to own some home. We are going to fight for our freedom. So George and Marcus Messiah Garvey, they worked hard for us to be free. George William Gordon, George William Gordon, George William Gordon. He made the slave fight to get money. So we are going to give it up for George William Gordon and Marcus Messiah Garvey. Marcus Messiah Garvey and George William Gordon. So we are talking about these 2 national heroes today. Boys and girls, salute Marcus Garvey and George Gordon.